Hello brothers and sisters, சகோதர சகோதரிகளே, இது உங்கள் கனகராஜ் பரமசிவம் from Zentech Engineering Coimbatore. We are manufacturing mara checking machine, stone checking machine and iron machine. Now we will introduce our coconut reducer machine with our world's #1 offline online trainer Mr. Rakesh Bagza, who came from Delhi. He will explain about our coconut reducer machine and also our VOC automatic machine 20 kg machine. How to crush coconut and groundnut. Thank you.
Thank you.
2, 3.
सबको नमस्कार. Today we are again at Zentech Engineering Limited. This is our third visit to their plant. During our second visit, we showed you how to extract mustard oil. In this visit, we will show you the detailed 2 steps of coconut oil extraction process. Number 1 step is to reduce the size of the coconut, because coconut extraction machine job is to extract oil, not to cut the size of the coconut in small pieces. You will see in YouTube lot of videos people are putting half cut coconut copras directly into the hooper. That is wrong method. First of all, we should reduce the size of the coconut so that the pressure exerted in the machine by the churner is maximum and the oil is extracted in the less time and there is less sedimentation with this process. So always follow this process. First process, size reduction. We will show you how the size reduction is done of the ball copras. Here we are using ball copra because in the ball copra water is absorbed into the flesh and the nutritional value of the coconut oil is maximum as compared to the half cut copras. Please start the machine. After size reduction, as you have seen this process, we will move to the oil extraction machine and with this coconut we will extract the oil.
Start.
You all can see the cut copra size is around 21 kg and 180 grams. Now we will put this cut copra into the 20 kg machine, which is 8 to 20 kg capacity of hooper. Let us start. Now we will put this cut copra into the machine in a very systematic manner so that it is put into the hooper slowly. Let us start. Put it.
Start the machine. Start the machine. This.
Now you see the cut copra is being poured into the hooper.
Okay.
And the real function of the machine is to extract oil. And I am again repeating, not to cut the coconut. The cutting operation has already been shown to you in the previous machine. Now the oil will be extracted, I think within 2 minutes the oil will start flowing. I will tell you about this machine. This machine hooper is of 20 kg maximum capacity, 8 to 20 kg. This is made up of food grade steel, and then this oil plate is also made up of food grade steel. This is the first machine in India which is fitted with Siemens motor and TVS bolt with SKF bearings. This machine workmanship is beautiful and this machine is noiseless. There is no noise, and you will see the copra is being oil is being extracted through this coconut copra and there is very little sound. Just wait and we will show you how this oil is being extracted. I would also like to tell you what are the benefits of the coconut oil. Coconut oil here which we are producing is a virgin plus coconut oil, because this coconut oil is 100% pure without any chemicals, without any additives, and this coconut oil is being extracted below the 40 degrees centigrade. This coconut oil is a you can say one of the best coconut oil, because this is being extracted from ball copras, not from half cut copras. Ball copra is having a water quality in that water gets absorbed into the flesh. So the oil has started coming. You see, the Mr. Kanakraj will show you. Within 1 minute.
Within 1 or 2 minutes, yes.
Oil has started coming with minimum sedimentation, you see. The reason for minimum sedimentation is because we have put the copra which is size reduced. Now I was telling you about this machine. The beautiful aspect of this machine is that there is minimum effort to extract the oil because there is one inlet and there are two outlets. The flow is from both the outlets continuously, and this is being churned continuously. There is no stop and gap arrangement, but it is continuous process, and the oil process will be complete within 20 to 30 minutes maximum. Then we will take out this de-oiled cake from this by hand, and we can again start the operation. The color of the coconut oil you all can see is water-like clear, and the best part of this is without any sedimentation, and it will take 1 or 2 days for the gravity filtration when we will put it overnight in the steel containers. These containers are airtight containers set so that there is minimum oxidization. I was talking about to you about the benefits of the coconut oil. This is the universal beauty oil. Number 2, this is the best makeup remover oil. Number 3, this is the natural, most effective, you can say, for the complete body. It gives hydration to complete body. The most important part is it is very beneficial for health, for your hair and for your skin. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks for coming and thanks for explanation about coconut oil and our coconut reducer machine.
Coconut pulverization took in this machine without any effort and within short time. The quickest and easiest method to extract the coconut oil is, I will again repeat, to first reduce the size of the dry coconut and then to put it in the extraction machine, because the extraction machine job is not to cut the size of the coconut but to extract the oil.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable information. Kindly subscribe our page, kindly like our page, share our page and comment our page. Subscribe பண்ணுங்க, comment பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, like பண்ணுங்க. Thanks for watching.